Okay, hello friends, Sam here. Very good morning, good afternoon, good evening as per your time zone. So, welcome to this Mule4 Live Program Launch Pad. I will explain you about this Mule4 Live program completely. Are you ready for that? I can see that still people are joining. So, let me wait for some time. Okay. So are you ready? So if you are ready, just put capital R in the chat. Let me see who all are ready. Okay, just put capital R in the chat if you are ready. Okay, okay. Everybody of you ready? So let us get started. Now this particular master class I'm conducting to brief you about my Mule4 live program. Okay, I will tell you from scratch what is Mulesoft, because you are trying to get into that. You might heard from somewhere that Mulesoft is good. You might heard from your friend that Sam's Mulesoft program is good, and you are trying to enter in that, or you are already aware about Mulesoft and you are trying to enter into this Mule4 live program. So I thought let me brief you before you decide about joining this Mule4 live program. So this Mulesoft is nothing but an integration product. Okay, so this is integration product. So what is integration product? Let's say we do have some source application, we do have some destination application, and these two applications which are already part of the business, they cannot communicate with each other. Most of the time it happens whenever any company runs the business, they purchase different applications, and these applications cannot talk to each other, cannot communicate to each other. So we always require middleware, and that is what is the integration product. And Mulesoft is one of the leading integration product. And what is the latest version of this Mulesoft? That is Mule4X. Okay, Mule4X. In case if you wanted to know more about Mulesoft, okay, you wanted to know more about Mulesoft, what do you do? Just send YouTube to my WhatsApp. Okay, this is my WhatsApp number, save in your contacts, and just send me this word YouTube to my WhatsApp and see the magic. You will automatically get my YouTube channel link. Go there, subscribe to that, and you will see lot of Mule4 videos are already there. Lot of career oriented videos are already there, and you can go there and check it. Okay, so just send me YouTube on this WhatsApp number, on my WhatsApp number. Apart from YouTube, I generate a lot of material on Facebook and LinkedIn as well. These are my two favorite platforms, So in case if you want to connect with me on Facebook, if you want to see what kind of work I have done, what kind of post I do, so just send me FP to WhatsApp. Okay, so the same number, just send me FP to WhatsApp. Right? FB for Facebook. You can send LinkedIn. Okay, these are the magic words, You can send YouTube on WhatsApp to me. You can send FB on WhatsApp to me. You can send LinkedIn on WhatsApp to me, and you will get all my social media links, and you can get hold of a lot of free material around Mulesoft. Okay, so in case if some of you are not aware about me, who is Sam, what he does and all, let me introduce myself. My name is Sam J. I am IT professional with 20 years of industry experience, and my portfolio is Java. I started my career as a Java developer, a Java mentor, and then I got into Tibco, Salesforce, Mulesoft, all this. Okay, and what I do, my day-to-day life, So in a daytime, I used to be busy in my project assignment, maybe architecting assignment, consulting assignments, development assignment on Mulesoft, Tibco and Salesforce. Okay, I work with many MNCs to give all my services to them, right, on contract basis. So I was on roll previously on some well-reputed IT companies, but now I am on my own. I do own my two companies, okay, and I provide consulting services, I provide virtual learning services and all that. Okay, and in my like early morning and late evening time, I take care of the coaching, training, mentoring kind of activities. So that's how my whole day is planned. Okay, and this particular program, what I'm doing basically, this program I'm launching for everybody. Doesn't matter you are from IT background without any coding knowledge. Okay, doesn't matter you are from different integration product. Let's say you are from Tibco, you are from IIB, you are from Web Methods, you are from, let's say, different, let's say OSB, Oracle Service Bus. Okay, you are coming from different other integration product and you want to build your career in integration, but leading product, which is Mulesoft. So this program is for you. If you are from non-IT background, I take it as a challenge, and this program is really transformation program which will transform you to star Mule4 developer. After this program, you will be star Mule4 developer. Okay, so let me talk about this program. So first question, let us say, what is duration? Do you want to know that? Do you want to know what is duration and what are other details of this program? Just put BIO in the chat box. Bring it on. Just put it. Okay. So duration of this program. Now many other people, they conduct it like 1 month, 20 days, 25 days and all. But for me, it is not really sufficient and satisfying to complete that in that much time. I cannot complete my program in that much time. Okay, so 2.5 months. This is what is the duration of the program. And when we conduct it, when we have the class, we do have the class on every weekday. Okay, and every weekday we do conduct it 1 hour. 1 hour online plus 1 hour offline. 1 hour online plus 1 hour offline. What is that? So 1 hour I teach you something, I demonstrate you something, and then I'll give you challenges. I will give you daily challenges, you know, and that challenges you have to complete. Okay, so 1 hour session I complete, and then I will give you daily challenge. Do you want to see how my daily challenges look like? What kind of challenges I give? I will show you my real previous batches, and I will show you that really happening daily challenges, you know. Let me show you that. Let me show you. You will enjoy looking at that, you know. Let me show you that. Fine. So let me show you that what kind of batches I do have and all. So let me show you that. No problem. Let me get into some of my old batches and all. Okay. And let me open any random session, that is fine, and see that class notes. This is what the class notes is there, and you can see this kind of class notes getting generated whenever I conduct online session with you, and that is what is 1 hour online. And at the end of the session, every day, every single day, I just give you such kind of challenge. Okay, this is like creating the table and all that kind of challenge is there. I open some other session maybe, and some random session I just open, you know, that's what. Let me see that. Okay, so let's say this, and this is something we are working on, some real-time case study. That's what is there. Let me see some daily challenge. Yeah, you can see that challenge number 1, this is what challenge number 1, and this is what challenge number 2. So every day you will have such daily challenge. So there you have to spend 1 hour offline. So every day you have to spend 1 hour online, 1 hour offline, 2 hours commitment I'll need from you. How many of you can give 2 hours of commitment to me? Just put 2 in the chat. Let me see. Very good. Very good. So I can see almost all of you are ready to give that 2 hours commitment, and that kind of consistency required, my dear friends. So you have to give me your 2 hours for 2.5 months every weekday, and your life will get transformed. If you are non-IT, you can enter into IT. If you are IT professional without coding, you can be Mulesoft professional. If you are working in some other integration product, you will be Mulesoft professional. That's what will happen. Okay, right? So that's what will be 1 hour online and 1 hour offline, I wanted to say. Perfect. So I hope you understood that. Have you understood the duration and the model? Another thing, what you will get. So you might have the question, if I miss any session, will I get the recording of that? If I cannot attend certain session, will I miss that? That generally happen in normal live classes, you know. Here is the beauty, my dear friends. So you will get recording access of lifetime. Recordings access for lifetime. I will never ever take it back from you. Okay, so recording access you will have lifetime with you. So for example, this batch people, whoever attended, what they are getting, you can see that they are getting like this. So let's say maybe let me open some session, this session suppose. So whatever, whenever I explain something, I draw something on the board. So such kind of blackboard images you will have with you, so that you can understand whatever happened in the class. Then whatever class notes which are generated in the class, that will be there for you to download, and you can really refer that. Video, I do have my own system where I'll upload this whole session and you can refer it there. Okay, no need to really download video and keep it with you. Trust me, if you download this kind of 1 GB videos each, it will be too much for you and you will never ever refer that. So refer it directly online in my system, and that's fine. So for example, this is what query param to DB update kind of appraisal kind of case study we have done, and that's what you have done. Okay, so this whole session will be going there in my system, and you will able to see that over there. Let me show you the system. Do you want to see the system in which your all recordings will be there? Let me show you that. It is samz.live. It is samz.live, and here you can see all the batches and everything. You can see that, let's say I open any particular batch, and you can see that session 1, session 2, session 3. So all sessions are available. You can start that, and that's what happened. And I track that closely. Your learning I track. This is like closely mentored program. Okay, live program. Even if I conduct 1 hour session with you, throughout the day I'm with you. Okay, that's what is there. Remember that. Okay, so that is what will be always there, right? So another thing I want to highlight is that, so I hope your question got answered, that in case if you miss the session, in case if you cannot attend the session, will you get the recording? Yes, that will be there with you. So after completion of the class, maybe within 1 hour, my team member upload the session, and you will able to see that in the system. You get notification on the WhatsApp as well that your session got uploaded. That's what will be there, right? That is what is there. Then another thing, what about the prerequisites? What about the prerequisites of the training? Is it that anybody can understand Mule4? I said that even if you are non-IT person, I can transform you in Mule4 professional provided you follow my shown path. So what is the path? Let me show you that. Prerequisites, of course, there are some prerequisites are there. So programming basics and Java basics. These are the prerequisites for learning Mule4, definitely. Okay. So now in case if you are really coming from non-IT background, so your question will be then what to do with this prerequisite. What I do, I run some pre-training before I actually start the program. So for example, soon we are starting this Mule4 batch. So before that, I already started with the pre-training stuff. Okay, so in the chat, I'm sending you the group link, Telegram group link, which you can join using that link. So in Telegram, you can see that so many, you can say that pre-training stuff I already created. You can see one of the pre-training here. You can see one of the pre-training over here. So there are lot of groups created over here. So what I do, I create pre-training job for you. Okay, pre-training group for you. So I'm providing the link in the chat. Click on that and join that pre-training group. So in that, I make you ready to join my program. I give you a lot of pre-training exercises. I give you a lot of pre-training references that you have to really refer and you have to get into that. Okay, that is what is there. Now, the thing is that this is 2.5 month. I create accountability group as well. So during training, there will be accountability group on the Telegram. Accountability group on Telegram will be there. Okay, so for your batch, there will be separate accountability Telegram group. For example, you can see that my star batch and my previous batches and my warrior batch and everybody, they will have the structure over there. Okay, and that accountability group where they are submitting the challenges and other people, peer learning happening, you know. Same way for you also, I will create the accountability group and I will be there, others will be there, and you can have that batch interaction happening. Okay, other thing, post training, I give you post training activity as well. So your final goal is, see, just conducting training is not my goal. My final goal is you should get into Mule4 job after this training. So post training, I sit with you for resume calibration. Okay, so resume calibration in the sense, I actually sit with you on your resume, that how you can create your resume, how you can approach the market. I'm not charging any fees for that as of now. Maybe in future I'll charge, but right now I'm not charging for these batches, you know, this batch, whatever I'm doing, I'm not charging anything for post training. I will sit with you for the resume calibration. I will help you to tell that how you can hit the market, how you can have the real projects in your resume. Okay, you will not have no longer dummy projects and all. You will have real projects in your resume, and that's what you have to represent in interview. That's what is the complete model, my dear friends. I suggest that you join this pre-training group first, and from there I will take you to the actual batch and get set started with me. Okay, so we are starting the batch soon. I want to see you in the pre-training group. There is a provision here somewhere on the top of the chat. You will see the question that you can put your email ID and you can put your question. So just put your email ID and put your questions. I will get that, or you just take my WhatsApp number. Okay, I'm very active on WhatsApp, by the way. You can just ping me and I will answer your queries. If you have any particular query about this program, anything, just put me the question over there, right? So wanted to see you in the pre-training, from there the batch, after that post-training activities we will do, and I want to see you in Mule4 job, my dear friends. Thank you. Thanks for attending this session. How was that, guys? Have you really got the value? Just put capital V in the chat if you got the value out of this pre-training, or we call it as live program launch pad, Mule4 live program launch pad. Okay, so wanted to see you in the pre-training. Okay, and just drop me the message if you have any question. Thank you for attending this session, my dear friends. I am closing this launch pad. It was very brief masterclass for you. So just closing it. In case if you have any question, I gave you my WhatsApp number. I gave you this is my email ID, you know. So sam@myvuniversity.com. You can send me the message. Okay. So thank you and see you in the batch soon. Transform yourself with this program. Take this opportunity. Opportunity is knocking your door. Don't keep your doors closed. Thank you and see you in the batch. So I'm closing the session, friends. Good night. Have a nice day as per your time zone, and see you again in the batch. Bye-bye.